I do these a lot in my flows, especially in some videos I have coming up. So if you enjoy movements like this, definitely subscribe to my channel. I'll be adding in some sensual flows, moving our body in all sorts of fun ways. All right, switch directions. If you're going one way, switch and move the other way. Really pressing through really every edge of this circle, if that makes sense. All right, find stillness, pulling your abs in, shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Then keep your left hand down, extend your right arm up towards the ceiling, find some circles at the shoulder. And allow that right hand to come behind your back, opening up, trying to keep your hips as even as possible. And switch sides. Other arm up towards the ceiling, find some circles at the shoulder. Eventually letting that hand come behind your back, keeping those hips as even as possible. And release, sliding your hands forward into a puppy pose. Emphasis on the shoulders, so really pressing your chest down towards the mat, keeping your hips high and over your knees. Bring your hands in line with your shoulders, but wide, like a super wide push-up position. Begin to rock side to side, then bring yourself into a large circle as I'm showing on screen. Really pressing through your chest, the front of your shoulder on every down motion. Switch directions, circles the other way. Beautiful. Go ahead and release, shake it out. Bring yourself up to a malasana or that yogi squat. Bring your hands in front of you. We're going to pulse back 20 times. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Straighten your legs, toe heel your feet outside the edges of your mat, just slightly coming into that wide angled forward fold. Little hamstring stretch here, I had to sneak it in. Deep breath in. Big exhale, relax, allow your back to relax, extend your arms on the mat in front of you. Big stretch through the spine and the hamstrings, full body stretch. This is one of my favorite stretches. Bring your shoulders directly over your hands, and I'm moving side to side, lifting my left arm up and around, then my right. Left up and around, circles every time. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Beautiful. Release, relax, hands forward on the mat. Taking your hands to your upper back again, giving yourself a little self-massage wherever you need, working into your traps. And up the back of your neck. All right, find yourself in a seated position, and I'm coming into this pinwheel shape. So my left leg is in front, right leg is back. I'm tilting my chest so that it's square with my front shin, and then gently leaning forward. You should feel this in your outer hip on the leg that's in front. Hold and breathe, hold and breathe. Hopefully y'all are feeling relaxed by now. We only have 2 minutes left in this flow. Please let me know how you're feeling in the comments. Your feedback helps me so much. It tells me what you guys need more of, what you like, what you don't like. It helps me so much, so please make sure you're commenting. Switch sides. Really leaning into it, making any little adjustments or wiggles that you need to. I'm very pro wiggle, so if I'm ever holding a stretch for so long, you need to make a couple movements, do it. That's going to help your body relax deeper. Full breath in and out. Lovely. Release. Come to a comfortable upright seated position. Then return to your yogi squat. Take your hands behind your back. Final stretch right here. Straightening your legs as you stand up. Give me one big deep breath in. And on the exhale, begin to round through your spine. Roll yourself all the way up. Slight bend at the knees. Release your fingertips. And bring yourself all the way up, shaking it out at the top. Thank you guys so much for following along. I hope that you feel a nice release in your shoulders and your hips and a little bit in the hamstrings as well. Again, leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see y'all in the next video.